People point and stare, making up their bed to see what's inside.
Living in a fishbowl, facing forward frozen still, picking me apart with purposes purely ill, passing quick judgment prematurely prescribed, playing prosecutor when no crime's been tried. Facts fade away when fear takes the lead. False accusations are all they'll feed, fast to assume based on what they see, forcing me into who they need me to be. Watching every move I make, walking on a wire, waiting for my next mistake while they fan the fire. People love to play pretend, putting on their mask, pushing buttons till I bend, till I break it last. They say different means dangerous, that's what they believe. They see what they wanna see, that's all they receive. Looking through the twisted lens, distorting what is real, like they got the right to steal. Who's really on trial here? Who's making the rules? Who's really on trial here? Who's playing the fools? Who's really on trial here? When judgment comes through, who's really on trial here? Is it me or you? Social media juries already made their choice, spreading lies and rumors with their virtual voice, scrutinizing everything that makes me strange. Somehow being different means I need to change. Mind made up before morning light, measuring my worth by the wrong and right, marching to the beat they say I should conform, making me the monster in the perfect storm. Never gave me chances, never let me speak, needing me to fit in, never let me be unique. Now I'm trapped within, prejudice is poison spreading through the crowd, pushing all the buttons till I scream out loud. They say awkward equals guilty, that's the golden rule. They rather play the jury than admit they're cruel, looking for a target just to ease their mind, like they got permission to leave humanity. Who's really on trial here? Who's making the rules? Who's really on trial here? Who's playing the fools? Who's really on trial here? When judgment comes through, who's really on trial here? Is it me or you? Before the facts are in, before the truth is shown, you've already decided what you think you know. But maybe you should question your perfect point of view, cause while you're judging me, I'm also judging you. Who's really on trial here? Who's making the rules? Who's really on trial here? Who's playing the fools? Who's really on trial here?